Thank you for taking out the time for this video. If you are also looking for a career in IT, where you can have a leadership position with possibility of a remote role and a good pay, then Scrum Master can be one of the best ways to achieve it. I am going to provide all the details about Scrum Master competencies, who can become a Scrum Master, what a Scrum Master does daily, how much a Scrum Master earns, and what is the process of becoming a great Scrum Master. I am Dhirendra Verma. I'm an Agile coach and certified SPC. I help people achieve expertise in Agile and its various ways of implementations like Scrum, Kanban, Scrum Ban, safe through live training and certifications. I have more than a decade of experience in IT industry and with various Agile frameworks. Currently, I am working for one of the largest Agile transformation around the world. I am here to share my experience and help you with your Agile journey so that you can carve your own path and succeed in career. As we know, we are living in a very fast-moving world, and every day a new startup, a new product and a new kind of service is being created. Especially after COVID-19, there has been an immense push to bring every product and service in digital form. And as of today, we are in the age of AI. Every business is now online, be it our education or shopping, and every product is automated, be it self-driving cars or smart watches, which monitor our health data. Given the speed of agility, as we can see from the latest research in 2023, all organizations are either already Agile or moving towards the journey of agility. That's the reason why Agile consultant or Scrum Masters in organizations are in such a huge demand. You can leverage this opportunity to make a career in IT, where you can have a leadership position and work as a Scrum Master with a good salary. Scrum Master role is a combination of behavioral, contextual and technical competencies, and a 2-day certification does not suffice as it covers the minimum required knowledge of Scrum only, and misses knowledge of other required frameworks for being a good Scrum Master. And obviously 2-day certification do not provide any practical hands-on either. I will be helping you to develop these skills, which will also include real-time experience on a live project on JIRA. When you will be able to master these skills, you will be in a position to determine which stance of a Scrum Master you have to choose and apply within your teams. This is how you will know what to do and, most importantly, what you are not supposed to do. Let us take a look at the salary trend in India and in the United States. As you would notice, the average salary of a Scrum Master is 25 lakhs per annum in India, while it is approximately $121,000 in the United States. If we deep dive a bit more around the range, as per the recent studies, for about 31 to 37% get a compensation between $50,000 to $200,000 per year, which is quite a figure. As we have stepped into the era of artificial intelligence, it is only fair to ponder how does it affect Scrum Master opportunities in future, and how would it sustain in the industry while artificial intelligence continues to advance? Long answer short, no. The Scrum Master role cannot be replaced because it also involves many contextual behaviors and leadership skills which is not possible for artificial intelligence to imitate. Referring to the State of Agile Coaching report published in 2022, given the impact of COVID-19, it is of no surprise that over 70% of respondents are fully remote. This only implies that since Scrum Master, Agile consultant roles or individual contributor roles, the location from where you work does not matter, be it remote, hybrid or fully on-site. However, you should be equipped enough to be able to do justice with your knowledge and experience. Until now, we talked about the Scrum Master role and how it can be a career option. It is also understood that it requires a plethora of knowledge and practical experience, and keeping up to industry trends is the way to go. Here is when I would like to introduce my live mentorship and masterclass course. This is not just a training but a complete mentorship that runs for 3 weeks, which will enable you to be in a position to either land on a Scrum Master role or advance in your career, or if you are looking for moving up the ladder with better compensation. The course is focused towards industry enablement of the Scrum Master, and this is not just theoretical knowledge. We get to work on live JIRA project with own JIRA instance on your laptop. You will have coaching conversations, role plays, all sprint simulations with skill development and practice sessions, and yes, before covering all advanced concepts, we also talk about the basics from scratch to ensure deep foundational knowledge is covered. The course is designed in a way that you don't have to worry even if you are from a non-technical background. There are enough real-life examples to be able to relate to. Additionally, the classes are recorded every day, so just in case you missed to attend for any reason, you get to pick up the pace or choose to look at the videos for revising the content in future. And as we know, the information available on Google, YouTube is not verified by expert, That's the reason you cannot rely on just online available knowledge. Also, there are different levels of learning based on your levels of competency and consciousness. It is not possible to attain the full knowledge if you are unaware about the knowledge, skills, and usages without a mentor. You can check the success stories and feedback received from mentees from previous batches. The course helped them land on a job, clear interview easily, and handle conflict situations better in their current job. All of this is possible because you get opportunity to receive verified complete and correct knowledge from an Agile coach, certified scaled Agile consultant with decade of experience. This way a coach can put you much ahead in the game with 100+ situational questions, live classes, one-to-one feedback, help in formation of project-specific scenarios, all KPI templates and their usages, interview guidance, cross-questioning, resume formation, and special keywords for your resume. For more testimonials, please join my WhatsApp group. Here is a quick glimpse of the testimonials so far. Hope the experiences from other mentees help you relate better. You would notice people from different experience and backgrounds have been able to add value to their career with this program. I am anyways a message or call away to guide you better while understanding your specific requirement. Here is a quick look around the content that will be covered in the 3 weeks course in phases inclusive of JIRA live training. For each and every concept, we will be having deep dive discussion with practical hands-on in JIRA so that you evolve and develop the skills. This is the most exhaustive course which will cover every aspect of being a Scrum Master and an Agile Project Manager and give you end-to-end practical knowledge of every stage from requirement gathering to development, deployment and delivery in various Agile frameworks like Scrum, Kanban, Scrum of Scrums. You will be enabled to perform the Scrum Master role with confidence, handle any situation-based interview question, a very deep knowledge of how to transition teams from Waterfall to Agile as a Scrum Master and how to effectively coach product owner, team members, or the complete team with Harvard-recognized coaching templates. We will even see so many advanced topics like TDD, BDD, user story splitting, development, deployment release process, team stages, conflict resolution, product roadmap and versions, MVP, MMP, to risk management and mitigation strategies and steps. Within 3 weeks, for sure, you will see yourself growing. Reach out to me at my mobile WhatsApp to watch more videos of my free webinars and ask for the best rates to quickly enroll and get started with the journey of success as a Scrum Master without any delay. In addition to above, there is a one-to-one interview program too if you are looking out right now. Thank you for your interest. Feel free to connect for all your questions, doubts and any free demo sessions.